Bumbleclad. Me say me hate the hypocrite them love the easy fight them. You see me, them can't go attack the bad man them because them know say the bad man them will come buff off them face and them afraid for dead. That's why you see them a go at chronics, cause them know say them can diss chronics and nothing a come out tight, cause Jamaican done depend a tear down chronics thing. So them know that easy for them. Why if Youngster don't come out and call up Junior Gang name and Ziggy Marley name, make him not see if every 32 teeth lick out time out? Eh? Why you don't call out the Marley them? Waste boy Youngster, try that. And see if Ziggy no Ziggy leave off a send no warrior for you. 2 blood clot. Some man from Trench Town come find you with your blood clot. Leave see Youngster. And Marley them you forgot call up Youngster. And see if some blood clot man from Trench Town come find your country with your blood clot hide and lift out your locks them out of your brain. Fucking fool. You love the easy fight and now fight the real problem them in a society. The grapists them. The man them we are take on a sister. But yet still a batty man on the main problem. Man we are hug up and kiss up in a bed in a them room and not see nobody. And you want focus on them people there. Instead of for start burn some fire upon the murder and the rapists them. I better say any will start put rapists on the front line for get burnout and murder upon the front line for get burnout. Like how now burnout gay. I better say them stop the killers and the murderers and the rapists them stop plague nation. I bet you. This Batman thing from where child growing up, so we use it in just a disrespectful term. Even when our straight friends get us angry, we just call them Batman. You know what I mean? But these are the worst scum of the earth, not the gay men. You know what I mean? Say amen. Can I get an amen? So that at the last video, he started out with hate and ended saying that he love and more expose him say he don't know what love is. Now him start this video, I tell the Christian them say him love them, but me know say it fake. By the time I see it start and hear him say him love, me start comment and say him don't know nothing about love. And before me done comment, they proving say him don't know about love and him not have much intelligence of sense. Watch this. So in that video you know, him start it out as say him love the Christian and him a go end it with hatred. Watch and see.
Loving it to me heart. 5 years lies have beat us bad, but if I'm wrong, forgive me, God. Since the journey you have awakening so much question you have to have. When the pastor want of money, him send round the offering bags, but when the sisters them in need.
Alright, you see that a Junior Gang song. Junior Gang song. Wanna find it there? I can't find it right now. After 4 right now. Zin? Yo, wanna find a Junior Gang song that. And I'm gonna find it in our next video played for now. Because we know say you are fraud. Hey! Tough. You see me? So this Yaksa thief.
And I'm some ambition. I make sure who know for me na the Yamagidian. So
the artists them like Chronics, Coffee, Leela Ike, Protege. Them have them own distinctive style, them own distinctive way of delivering music. Them not in a nobody style and nobody sound. Yaksta baby to music and I hit me a show no. Just like Mosquito. You see me? Mosquito, if Mosquito did have sense and did appreciate music and overstand the assignment, Mosquito would never go sing over Ilangoli because he would have a higher and a more intelligent mindset, which would be to create his own song, right? Or sing over something like, well, Aladdin sing over Yalla Choo, and you, and then I see governor take it from Laden, and enough of them a rush for try put out for them one first. Because we artists them water down. Big up Laden, you see me? Because him first got sample the all it's there, and the right all it's for sample pan the freaking rhythm, the Ilangoli rhythm, you see me? I woke up this morning, was born in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. Yeah. This is my page, and the first post here you see in. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. The one bag of money. The yard one a foreign. Give him a little bird, can't tame some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black yard, rich like who lick a nigga, stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off, in a frog on me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga, stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off, in a frog on me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, list PSPally, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga, stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off, in a frog of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga, stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off, in a frog of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Yeah, my people, yo. You saw me a show you do. You see me? The universe was right. As me a show you say them man are evil, bro G. And the evil not stop show. You get me? And evil men, they know not what they have done. I'm telling you that all the while. You see me? Say yo, them ego lead them and them not have the intelligence. Because you see the bestest of good people them. The best of good people them, like God gracious, righteous people them. They the bestest of them good people, the most righteous man has to be a very intelligent man. In order for you to be the most righteous, you have to have a great deal of intelligence, right? And with knowledge comes intelligence. You have to read, to grow your knowledge. Some people can born super intelligent, you know. You get me I say? But we can all perfect our level of intelligence and rise it or raise it through reading and gaining knowledge, reasoning and them thing there. Now, in order, on the flip side of things, in order to be even the most evilest man with power, in order to be the most evilest man with power, it takes a great deal of intelligence. So that is where now, let's say you have the righteous man with the highest level of intelligence versus an evilest man with the highest level of intelligence, right? And they're at war. Now, the righteous has a higher possibility of winning that war, right? Though they both have similar level of intelligence, with the righteous man, he has most of the possibility of winning the war because of how the earth run, the mystical wonders and the works of how the earth operates. You know what I mean? So that is where it boils down to in the end. You know, that's how David could have slew Goliath. You know what I mean? Now, me I go just say this before me go in at this video here where Yaxter expose himself to be such a belligerent, evil, like you can't say God forsaken to, because to how this man I go expose himself, watch. And I may show you say, you see this bun Batman thing is a thing where Jamaica where it needs to be studied for real. It needs to be studied. Certainly, because watch now, when some people are saying bun Batman, you see if you question them, like, all right, for one, the TikTok of them, where you see a bun Batman and I come out and I bun the people them where I watch the Candy them and the, you know, the Figure It Out them and the Akeem them and, you know what I mean, the Jaden them, zin. Now these people, when I start bun them out, right? Here what, let me tell you what is with them. They are not satisfied, right? And learning to be satisfied is a good thing what righteous people do with intelligence. Righteous people with intelligence won't be complaining like these straight people, these so-called straight people. We are lick out pan all I know as viewers, right? If you watch the candy them, the figure it out, people who them classify as Batman. You understand? So the thing is, at the money, them are run down. And just upset, say the Batman them, who them call so, I get all of the award them. You get me? The first, second, and third. Come here, them must say Rosalie the first, and must say Akeem and figure it out, them the second and third, and Candy in the mix. You get me? I say? So, what them a do is these people where you see on TikTok, like we are dealing with the TikTok one them. Come here, show you say everybody use this Bun Batman thing as a weapon, or their ulterior motive, for a better term, for their ulterior motive. It's not because they are taught that it is unholy or it is an unholy act of being gay. Why you see them always depend this Bun Batman thing. It's not. And this is why you for question them. But guess what? I'm gonna show you something. The TikToker them greedy. Remember say every TikToker depend TikTok for money. Because guess what the Bible tell you? Say the root of evil is the money. Money is the root of all evil. So when you see them come out and Bun Batman and the whole of now watch TikTok, watch Candy, the whole of now watch Figure It Out, the whole of now watch Jaden, and them have a problem with these people. But guess what? It's either two things you can do, you know, there's two choices. It's either these people where complain, is either them go put on wig to, or do what the leading TikTokers, them are the who them say is gay, right? It's either them follow them if them want the money or want to be ranked the most, because that's them problem, right? Them are cuss about who is being ranked the most, and I said the people that are being ranked the most are the gay people, and that these straight people, I say, right? Now, if you check it, Zin, these straight people now, you know, Zin, you see them straight people you know, is either them can go put on them wig, them have two choice, either them go put on them wig and them go get the number 1 spot, them number 2 spot, number 3 spot, and rank high and get a lot of reward and money, or them just be satisfied with them little views. You get what I say? Is either or either. Why you complaining? I tell them say, you know, say Kartel never complain about how hard it was and who a fight him and a stop him, like all these people were complaining. Losers complain, you know. You see, winners. That's why Kartel so intelligent, you know. You get what I say? Him display intelligence, him display kingly character. Him no ball and complain like a biatch. You get what I say? Yeah, and then look at this now too. What I want to share with you know. Zin, the fact say them not satisfied, right? Because them want the number 1 spot and number 2 spot, right? Them not satisfied. Now if you watch my video them on YouTube, you'll never hear me beg people for like or subscribe or share. Me no believe in them things them there, you see me? Because me know for satisfy. I was taught, I was learned to be satisfied. You see me? My parents teach me how to satisfy when it comes to food, anything, satisfy. You know what I mean? And me just think that it is right for me to be satisfied with the views them when me I get, with the likes them when me I get. Zin, and me notice say it was the brightest a scholar them, like our Kishima Francis, you know, she no ram for tell the people them say like up the video, forget the video in the algorithm, and so that the algorithm can see say, you know, and send out the video further and further. You get what me I say? Which that is smart, and that me teach you about smart and being wise, the differences all the time. I teach you that, because I tell you say smarter when you use intelligence to benefit yourself, but wise is using your intelligence to benefit everyone else. Now you might see it because this intricacies involved. Now you might see it as Kishima doing that to benefit everyone, because her video is gonna benefit everyone once they seeing it, because there's whatever content that is in it that she think is beneficial to everybody. Then she believes that, you know what I mean, or y'all gonna believe that it is wise because everyone is benefiting, because that is what I describe wise mean. And we all know that Kishima should be glad and benefit from it, that to know that many people see in our video now that they get the likes and they get the views, you know what I mean? But there's intricacies involved, because look, now you got to gauge it down to the T. So, as I told you that being wise is to be satisfied, right? And to be smart is to always be begging people to like and to click and to, because in my view, right, the reason why I would say that is smart, and I have to boil it down to the T, right? The reason why I would say that is smart to be begging and to be liking all these things, because you're not leading with example and by example to the public when them see our beg likes, because begging is begging overall, and we know how combative other people can be. Even your own child. Imagine Kishima talk to our own child about not begging the other kids at school or stop begging people things or whenever we are out. And let's say she try tell our pitness to stop beg, right? Because it's not a good habit. And even the Bible talks about beggar. It says nothing good about beggar. The Bible has nothing good to say about beggars, right? Now, let's say Kishima try get our daughter or child to stop beg. Yet still no. We know smart mouth our child can be and the children them can be. So imagine her child telling her that, but mom, I see you begging the people to like on your videos and begging them to share and begging them. So you see what I'm saying? If you're to boil it down, because y'all would say that it's wise, because I describe wise as everyone benefiting, right? But it is more a better beneficiary when everyone can learn to be satisfied than everyone learning to beg for likes and views. You know what I mean? Instead of being satisfied. I hope y'all learning and getting and understanding what I'm saying. Because the thing is, with being satisfied, it is a great power. You know what I mean? And what I've noticed about the YouTube and these social media platform, the new social media era and thing, is that if you do not ask people to like your video, if you do not ask people to even watch your videos, it's going to get tons of views, tons of likes if people actually like it, without you after begging them. So I would rather walk down that road and wait for all the likes and wait for all the natural, the organic, right? The holistic likes and views. I'm not gonna pay for no views. I won't beg no views. I won't beg no likes. I won't beg no subscription. That's not me. And that is intelligence for y'all, because being satisfied is way more valuable than thinking it's okay to beg likes and views so that your content with whatever importance is on that content to share to the world. Yes, it would be great for the world to watch it and to see whatever particular message or content you're sharing, but teaching the world to be satisfied is way more better. So lead with action. And that is what a lot of these Rasta now, them a say one love and them a hate a certain community. Bob Marley never hate no community. Bob Marley preach one love. Bob Marley go England, go mix and mingle and sing and work with all type of people and show them love. But the idiot don't spot Jamaica them will lack a basical. Them a take Bob Marley lyrics, but man to man is so unjust. And they must say, look there, Bob Marley a bun batty man. Bob Marley a bun. Because you see, their mind is so in content of this Batman thing, like, you know what I mean? And then when Bob said that, if you remember and if you have intelligence and a great level of intelligence, you would know that them time then a Bob time, man and woman live way more better together than now. So when you hear Bob say man to man is so unjust, you definitely have to hear that from his own perspective, because when artists write song and make music, it not just go one way to how the public want to take it and run with it. No, it's their personal aspect. But when you use your intelligence, one thing I know is that the relationship between men and women was so awesome. Yes, you had men abusing their woman, but they were lovers, they were a couple, so they would kiss and hug later. Yes, the man was abusive, and that is very bad. I don't condone men hitting women, whether it's your woman you're involved with. I don't support that. But yes, that was bad, I agree. But now is worse. We have a video of a man downtown unaliving a woman with a knife, and that's crazy. And then these straight man want fling them type of man, they pan the gay man side because the straight man them not take accountability, and the straight man, the evil straight man them who are a plague and a scum more in society than any gay man or gay woman, right? These are the real scum of society, and they go unnoticed, slid right under our nose, right? Because they're grapists, and then the women protect them with these very same talk and things that we normally say, you know, like, yeah man, give woman money, man for give woman money, man for this and man for that. But I want you to ask the people, like, really and truly, why is it okay for two men to hug up tight when them a fight in a Jamaica or in a JA? Why is it okay for two men to hug up tight when them a fight in a Jamaica? But as soon as two men start hug up, we just love each other, then that are the problem. But when them a fight and a hug up tight, when some man all a fight and walk up and them lip all meet close, because a lot of times that happen to me where man where want attack me, walk up in my face like them want kiss me. This is how close them come to my face. And people start laughing and I say, hey, them out for war. And you have to push them away from out of your personal space until the fight start. So why is it okay for a man to get so close with his lips to another man's lips, and it's okay when it's a fight about to start? But yet still, when there is no fight, right, in the middle of two men coming together with their lips that close, why, like, really and truly, we need to stop the fighting thing then and stop the close up, the hugging up thing then. You get what I say? Because Jamaicans, they're just hypocritical. You know what I mean? So that me I go say and running at this and make we expose the youngster. I'm showing test chronics and him evil. Him got trouble as sleeping lion because youngster a follow what people say. You see me? The things when born and hear people say, the same things when people say about chronics and coffee. And then Foota hype, him try bring down chronics and coffee. Yet still, look how Foota hype of the grapist Tanya Stephenson accused Richie Stephen of raping her. Another Chinese girl accused Richie Stevens of raping her. And Foota hype sit down with Richie Stevens, right, pan him live and fail for ask him about this situation. But yet still, the same Foota hype sit down with Lisa hype and I laugh and I talk to her and I ask her about the raping and the abuse where she should probably undergo from Vybz Kartel, the estrual relationship between she and Vybz Kartel, but him never have the same strength for Richie Stevens. You saw them boy, they are dirty, nasty, careless, rapists. That's why Diamond say Foota hype, hold down Lucky girl and hold down some other woman, and him align himself with Richie Stevens, and Richie Stevens expose them one another, because Richie Stevens say, remember the time I call you when your mouth just twist up, and then Foota hype and Richie Stevens look on Tanya Stevens. Tanya Stevens a respectable woman, and the batty boy Foota hype him worse than a batty man. You get me I say? Batty man not trouble nobody. A them people are trouble people. You get what me I say? A them need to get burn out the most. You see me? And the man them will analyze the woman them. But them little waste man a yaksa, him not no sense, him not no intelligence. It's ready.
Love to all Christians and all black people. I know my love.
Yeah, alright. So the last video him do, him start it off with hate, and then in the last part time video, him say, yo, I love Rasta deal with. That was in his previous video. If you don't want to see it, watch back my channel. See with the last video I make of him, right? It must have 54 minutes long, right? Alright, so that at the last video, he started out with hate and ended saying that he love, and more expose him say he don't know what love is. Now him start this video, I tell the Christian them say him love them, but me know say it fake. By the time I see it start and hear him say him love, me start comment and say him don't know nothing about love. And before me done comment, they proving say him don't know about love and him not have much intelligence of sense. Watch this. So in that video you know, him start it out as say him love the Christian and him go end it with hatred. Watch and see.
Loving it to me heart. 5 years lies have beat us bad, but if I'm wrong, forgive me, God. Since the journey, you have awakening so much question you have to have. When the pastor want of money, him send round the offering box, but when the sisters them in need.
Alright, you see that a junior gang song. Junior gang song. Wanna find it there? I can't find it right now. After 4 right now. Zin, yo, wanna find that junior gang song that. And me I go find it in our next video played for now.
Yeah, but So the song where Yaksta Thief. This are the song where Yaksta Thief. You see me? You can't trick we know the music from we hear the thief them, you know. We know. And then the same TikTok waist girl, Zane, and them artists, yeah, she want fear run the place just because him say Bun Batman, you see me? And the artists them like Chronics, Coffee, Leela Ike, Protege, them have them own distinctive style, them own distinctive way of delivering music, them not in a nobody style and nobody sound. Yakstar baby to music and I hit me a show no. Just like Mosquito, you see me? Mosquito, if Mosquito did have sense and did appreciate music and overstand the assignment, Mosquito would never go sing over Ilan Gully because him would have a higher and a more intelligent mindset, which would be to create him own song, right? Or sing over something like, well, Aladdin sing over Yella Choo, and you, and then I see Governor take it from Aladdin, and enough of them a rush for try put out for them one first. Because we artists them water down. Big up Aladdin, you see me? Cause him first got sample the all it's there and the right all it's for sample pan the freaking rhythm, the Ilangoli rhythm, you see me? Not even Ilangoli Rido song, no bad like the one where Aladdin sing over, you see me? And say Munga is a genius. Cause Munga sing over him own song when him do from long time, him own big song. And not sing over the body song. You see me? But nothing really wrong with sing over nobody song. But if you have a high level of intelligence with what go on with Vybz, Kartel and Grindsman, people would now be more cautious and more, conscious of staying far from singing over people's song. You see what I say? Because even though a Kartel will know them hate, make them want him alone pay this waste man boy, him Grindsman. You see me? And none of the other artists them nobody now say them for pay for the song them with them sing over. So hear the Junior Gang song, yeah?
Jungle Terima from Tivoli to Manchester.
Other song, yeah, hey, Yaksta Thief. You go hear when Junior Gang go into the verse.
Hey, from Waterhouse to Jerusalem,
From Valley to Matches Lane. I don't know why we say Matches Lane, but a Matthews Lane.
Are you done with have a
plan, another ambition? Him say have some ambition. And that's why Yaksta Thief it, the universe. Yaksta don't know why I'm thief it, but the ambition in this. You see me? If you have some ambition, cause the whole we are one if I'm is every rich. Then when someone a pray, can knowledge are the key and it will set the people free. And highly high philosophy is a free community. Who know what you know? Purity, the race is not just for the swift, but those who can endure. Make sure you have a steady footing in a Zion door and keep your heart and pure. Jah love is for the poor, but some little boy about some gun them mama can afford. If just say blood for run, the heaven and the earth will pass away before him words. Now come on, if you fight without a cause, there will be no reward. Because we know say you are fraud. Hey, tough. You see me? So this Yaksta Thief.
and have some ambition. I make sure who know for me na the so.
And then now Junior Gang and other positive mind people might say, no man, them see it as a way of Yaksta paying homage. But it's not homage if a man no make it clear, say I feed them as somebody else sang them a sing. You see me? And me have to discover it. You see me I say? Cause Yaksta no as original, him not that unique as an artist. But him can become of such if he just work and search in his mentality for the because music is a mind thing, built from the mind, and there's a spirit as well, the vibes, keep it alive, you see me? Yeah. So go end this so.
Which Junior Gang sang us again? Say that you war. Oh, the one where 2007 song when him do on the same rhythm, but I'm on the rock. I'm on the rock. Oh, that Junior Gang song they go. With him brother, I think him brother they pan it too. You see me? Them time the Jay-Z signed Movado. You know so that here. So them boy is like mosquito. You see what me I tell you say him not original like Chronics. You can't test Chronics. Them boy have to sing over and a lick over. Yeah, them a lick like cat a lick. Them boy is a cat a lick. You see what the cat a lick? Him a lick the cat. What the cat a lick. Watch out now. Let me tell you something, man. Them boy you can't test Chronics. See a Junior Gang song him a sing. You see me? Watch this.
Him say put your faith in God, since he lives up in the sky. Oh, we don't see him when we fly. And it's only when we die the real salvation will apply. Well, what I know for sure, the Most High is not that guy. In the kinky dresses, halo light with the blue eyes. Jesus never died for us, they did. Martin Luther King.
Yeah, it bad still, you know, it bad. But as I say, a Junior Gang flow, him thief, all of that him just a spit. Till him reaching out the King David. Yeah, that a theme thing now. Maybe him thief it from an next reggae song, I don't know. But at that, me a show you say Mosquito no wise. Mosquito go sing on the Ilan Gully rhythm and sing over the Ilan Gully song when enough people sing. You see the song them Latin sing, you see the song them Munga sing. Munga lick over him own song pan the genius Ilan Gully rhythm. Zine where Munga say one of my biggest girl song, you see me? Walk on it and talk to me. Girl, I wanna know what you want from me. How much love you have in your heart for me. Girl, wine pon it on, bubble pon it and talk to me. Girl, I need to know what you want from me. How much love you have in your heart for me. Girl, wine pon it on. Cause if you want faster, me will give faster. If you want harder, me will give you harder. If you want deeper, me will give you deeper. We not cheat. Yo, Munga chop up that and scrap it and use it and we one new way and replace enough of the words them, so it's like a new song. And that is Munga show you say me not sing over nobody song, me a sing over my song. That bad. Because you see from them a try to use them hypocritical nasty ways for support Grindsman for sue Kartel when the whole of dancehall and reggae been a sing over people song as a way of respect. But a Kartel them hate the most and want him alone pay for sing over people song because them bad mind and love watch people money. It's so obviously clear. The people in the West and Jamaica them casting them away. You hear me I say? So we burn them every day. Yeah. Because I saw them hypocritical.
And King David still I give Leonardo's band the praises while the freedom fighters getting nothing but hatred.
Alright, me done showing about the TikTok of them we are burn out Batman. If I ask them, question them why them are burn out Batman, is it because it's an unholy act? Because I'm sure it's not because of that. Because guess what's one of the worst unholy act everybody know is blasphemy from the Bible, where it said don't use the Lord name in vain. Me have one video I make phone with a man where go hell and forward back. The man dead, them get shoot, and right now him still after I go do surgery regular. Them shoot him up and him dead. And go where hell and forward back and say God tell him for one way. And the man say 5 type of people I get torment, the wickedest in a hell. 5 type of people the man say him see I get torment, the wickedest in a hell. And none of them 5 type of people where the man say I get torment in a hell wasn't gay people. So you can stay there talk about born gays are the worst of Jamaica. You can stay there. You want to hear about blood clot. Someone will love gossip and when blood clot love bring down people like Yaksta try bring down Chronics because the man say one of the things what the man say, you see me? The man say God make sure tell him when him go hell say look here more you go warn the people them say you see them 5 blood clot senior and them I get the worst punishment in a hell. The man me I go make the video phone on no stay blood clot tune. Here what the man say one thing me I tell you now. The man say what me I go tell you now again what the man say. The man say Bumbleclad. What the man say again? The man say some people alright, so the man get shot, right? Him dead, got hell, him come back. He was a drugs dealer, right? And him say, oh yes, remember what me that go say. The man said, God, the reason why God deal with the gossip of them so wicked. The man said, God tell him, say, people where only gossip is a wicked sin. You see, if you go gossip, the man said, God tell him, say, make sure you provide helpful ways for the people them where you have a problem and a complain about. If you not provide them with a helpful way of make things right, then yeah, gossip and I'll bring down people. And that mean me always provide a way, cause even when me dep on Popcorn name, I say Popcorn need for go pay him respect to Black Rhino, and I suck him can get black on the good side of the universe to work for him and God. And the same thing I say about Skilly Bang, him need for pay respect to Critical, because me now go just bring them down and not give them the solution where them need for fix. So no make sure to watch my video, cause me dep on the right track. Is him a Batman is not the worst thing, and it make the Foota hype them and the blood not Richie Stephen, it make them feel good, because Jamaica, it make you can feel good for no say Bun Batman every day, people wake up, Bun Batman, but yet still the rapists them feel good. The man them where kill off the woman them and take with the picnic them feel good. Where the taxi man them where look the school girl them feel good, because a Batman are them number one hatred. And if you ask them why not Bun Batman, enough of them, majority of them will tell you say the Bible says it's an unholy act. But the Bible also say blasphemy is the worst, one of the worst sin the Bible say. But yet still, and years Jamaican are blaspheming in Jesus name. Jesus Christ. Yo, God no. Them have that pan repeat. Them they are blasphemy. One of the worst sin God said, don't use my name in vain. Me and you are friend, but trust me to win. So Jamaicans, it's not because it's an unholy act. They use this Bun Batman thing as a weapon for protect them, or as a shield. Them use it more as a shield for protect their nasty, filthy behavior. Cause Diamond accused Foota hype for hold down 2 girl already. Zime all when I'm bridging them woman. Oh, nasty of a man you be. We grew up on the gully banks with no abiding city. You get me? No abiding city. You see me? No proper brought up see. You see me? Them boy they are grapists. You see me? Yeah, and then it make the Richie Stephenson, it make them man they feel good, cause them a say what Jamaican rate the man them will love girl, but yet still them a hold down the girl, a force themselves on the girl, and Jamaican make them man they feel special and feel protected, because them not no problem with man will love girl, all when you grape them, because the problem is with Batman. A Jamaica dunce, them dunce.
Jesus never died for us, we do. All the Africans and the sheep who spoke Hebrew. Christianity is a weapon of slavery. Stop believing us because that not go save we. What is your...
Yeah, the lyrics on point, you know? Tough, I like it, like the song, you know? And that him should have do instead of him a come out and a cuss Chronics to get notoriety and attention. Because Chronics said it. Chronics said it, that attention him a look, is it?
What is a lineage? We avoid the prison cells but still not free ourselves from the habits and belief and disobedience. And does money really matter when we reach the age? And the sick for realize that them no need no meds, that them for real meds. So diagnostic are results of what we feed ourselves. We need to pre ourselves and start to be ourselves.
Yeah, read yourself, and that you for do, go read yourself. You see me, check yourself before you wreck yourself, and you go wreck yourself and make yourself. You can't even make yourself. You see me, I wonder if him can spread in bed.
Since birth we have been targeted and programmed for a matrix with a religion, a god, nationality and race. The preference of another, resulting in one being racist, and a country just a map that really pocket us in space. Get labeled as a native, based on where we raised, whether black or code or white, either Mexican or Thai. Neither race have no rights because freedom is a lie. Society based on tears and the rich do as they like.
Tough. Here the evil part now. Him just go for start. Watch how the evil come out time. Remember, you know, him start with love. Zin and that them feel to understand Bob Marley say one love, and Bob Marley go collaborate with all of the white man them are England. We gay to and take cocaine to. You get me? I say because all you for say one love and a preach hate against a community of people. That don't make no sense. That's why Bob Marley is so love, and reggae music is love, and that is with Dunsbat. Them sell their music to everybody, but yet still them want tell people who can take part and become a part of the music where them are put out, where the people them love and spend them money for buy. Now the people them grow to love the music till them become the music now and become musician, like a gentleman, like the Alba Rosie them, the white man them, and then some black ugly Dunsbat reggae people from Jamaica want to say the white man them not for join reggae, them not for do reggae because them white and our thing. But yet still them never have no problem with the white man and spend them money and buy them reggae music and talk talk good about them reggae music and are proud of them reggae music, but yet still as soon as the white man for do it now is a problem. And I them think they may show you dunceness and intelligence are the problem. You get me? I say, and our music was sold out. Nobody for protect it because our prime minister them are the main problem to all of this, why our music gone, because them not set up no boundary. That's why them dons all the education them have enough foresight seeing these things that needed protection. You get me? I say, fool them, sell it out because them should have know better. They ought to know better. They supposedly, of course, them know so our music supposed to be protected and bars and shields should have been set around it to shield it. Look what the brother you go say now. Watch ya.
Don't pay dog. It's a fuck up my video. Sure.
Yeah, so it's a dog a barking at the video and him just all of a sudden get so upset. Watch ya. Watch it again.
It's have no rights because freedom is a lie. Society based on tears and the rich do as they like. Shut up a bumper ass clock mouth, don't pay dog. It's a fuck up.
You see that? Evil man this. Evil.
Sure.
Evil man this. You can diss the dog a bark because the dog sends him evil spirit, him evil vibes, him evil energy. That's why the dog a bark. You get what I say? Yeah. Bumper clock. Watch on man, I could go in and comment and expose a brother ya. You see me? Come in, cause time ago, I don't got the time. Come in. Come on. On the Kishima thing there. Alright, watch out. Who this? Stop talk about man. Yeah. Bumbuckler. Watch your people. Let me show you how the Jamaican straight man them are the big problem at Jamaica. Cause look what that man say. Alright, look what that man say. Him send. Alright, I could go in the video. We go in the video. Watch a see video, yeah. This are the pretty girl where drop out. Woman killed in Love Lane, downtown, attack, suspect, gunned down hours after the police them unalive the man where unalive this a beautiful woman with a knife. You can imagine how painful, how scared she was, how trauma. Because people are gonna cuss when people do something hurting, But them dirty Jamaican straight man, yeah, them no want you cuss them no want you talk and in defense of your thing, them no want you talk the truth. I don't know what reason caused the argument or what sparked the debate, But him not have no right for bad up the woman, so I'm glad the police unalive him. See it here? Look at this. Look at this. See the mad boy there. Mad boy. Watch him bad up the woman. I go over the woman. Watch her. And look on them people here. Them clown. Them people are idiot too, I swear to God. These people are idiot because so much people dead so and allow one man. The whole of them. Yo, judge, I know. Them see the anger of the man. Anna. Them see the anger of the man. Anna mess up the. Yeah, people. So look at the ignorance of these straight men. Unalive the woman. I'll me call him Batman in the comments, because guess what going on is a disrespectful slur. The term Batman at Jamaica is not just for gay men, It's for as a disrespectful slur. It's like saying F you, F off. You know what I mean? That is what the term Batman also used as. You know what I mean? So a lot of times, even the same gay man here in Jamaica would, look how he's behaving. Look at how he's behaving. He even stabbed that guy. Two people died that day. It seems as if you see what I'm saying? And I can't even I'm going to slow it down when I'm editing it, okay? So these are the things. And look at the comment, right? And it's just how our brains wire after hearing, this Batman thing from we're a child growing up. So we use it in just a disrespectful term. Even when our straight friends get us angry, we just call them Batman. You know what I mean? But these are the worst scum of the earth, not the gay men. You know what I mean? Say amen. Can I get an amen? So look at my comment. Right? Look at him. Look at this madman. Look, that's where he take out his knife, and there. Well, look at him. Oh my goodness, this lady, damn man. Yo, Jano star. Jano. Now look at my comment, right? Now this guy got 11 like, the real whisper. He said that nah, he's saying that he is not saying that the man is right, but in his opinion is that a woman should never try to argue with a man. Some say it's the other way around, but man ego big when a woman says certain things, it cut like a knife if she sees the man reaction like he was reacting. She should have remembered her place. She was acting like she was ready to defend herself like a man. Enough people are gonna disagree still, just my opinion. Now guess what? He's saying that, for better terms of phrasing what he's saying, right? So he's saying that here in Jamaica, a lot of people would say that women are the ones who are supposed to argue, right? That is what he's saying, that people here in Jamaica say most of the time, that women are the one that should be able to argue and men shouldn't argue because only gal alone, only woman alone, and they believe that it's a woman thing to argue. You know what I mean? But he's saying that it's the other way around for him. So he's saying that the woman shouldn't be arguing with the man. And he's saying that once she's seen his reaction and how tempered he was, or temperament, you know what I mean? The fact that he was so angry, he's saying that she should have just, leave or, just finish with the argument. But you can't say that because people, we don't know the situation, and there is no reason for no man. People have all right to argue, because what if he stole her things? What if it's something that belongs to her that he stole? She has all right to complain and to call him out. We don't know the situation, but whatever it is, even if she's lying, he has no right, and he shouldn't be a part of society. Those type of people need to go under the ground, right? And they're the real scum, right? And I'm sure 90% he's a straight man. You know what I mean? And these are the problem with the straight man, them, what them need for acknowledge and need for burn a fire pan. Because them go on like say, a batty man are the biggest problem in a Jamaica land. You get me I say? Who not hurt nobody and them thing there. So this a money I need for go. Yo, I'm glad to the police them get through them. So me reply now to this brother, I'm tell him say, look, stop talk about man, because any bumbleclap batty man, see, and this is what me I tell you say. Me never really meant to use that term there, cause me know say it's a straight man as me say, but me just use the term batty man as a disrespectful slur. You know what I mean? Cause me already believe that this man that had done that is a straight man. You see me? So I say because so I start again. So I said to my reply to the guy comment saying, stop talking about man, because any buckler man were weak to words to go and unalive people because of an argument. They deserve death. If you want to unalive someone for an argument, you deserve death, because they sick in their head. They obviously sick in their heads. Most of these men was never raised right. I'm glad the police unalive him, because those tempers should not be in society. I'm gonna wish death the best for them still. You get me? I say they need some help. But you see the people them know say these men have these temper, and allow them up. The mama know say him have that temper from my baby. Majority of the time. The papa them know too. You get me? I said them know, but them allow them to live with these temper and feel for say one day I go come with these people with the same temperament problem. Them I go pass them place with people. You get me? I say, you see, when you have kids like this, you have to discipline them, fix them. And if you have friends like this, you try get them brother, you leave from around them. Me I tell you no. You get what I say? Alright, me I show them a comment on the Yaksta video. The Yaksta. The spacecraft Rasta, see that? You see me I say, them people are the scum of the earth people. What is my right? Alright, sure. Come up. Alright, Siga. So from me see him, from 59 minutes ago, me write this. From me see him start up, I said, this man don't know what love is. Go apologize to Chronics and him gang them because Bob Marley love everyone and never show no hate to no one. If you claim that you don't know what a true Rasta is, then go try to emulate Bob Marley because he's the #1 Rasta man. You understand? Because Yaxter did make claim in his first video that he's here to learn and he doesn't know the true thing of Rasta meaning and whatever you. But yet still him a Rasta man. So we are end this here now. You see me as a people? Yeah man, big up on yourself. Don't make them deceive you. Don't make them trick you. The grapists them. The murderer them. Them are the scum of the earth people. People, yo, there, you see it. But you know, I'll know we're not done with one vlog about Yaxter, you know, because him expose himself as wicked. And him really wicked. And we have all the proof. You know, just have to know if you see the truth. Look, this is our Chronics post Addi I go up on the Kishima post. You see me? Kishima Francis from Irie FM post. You see me? Because she show the fire where them say Yaxter burn. But the boy just bad mind and chew no bread now reach him mouth because him feel for do a hit song. You see, if Yaxter did prove to be a great artist and I find constant hit song, you wouldn't see me complain about Chronics. This is just a blurt not publicity stunt the boy a pull, just like how him take picture of cover art with the mere trim for selling music or for create controversy, just like how him sing about Marley. Imagine Yaxter boss with ambition, with such a positive song, no negativity. So positive. And then guess what go on? For a while him try for put out more positive song. I watch him career till it reach right so I watch him career. Because I see same boss in the scammer time, I'm always talk about it. Say, see there, positive music can boss. Because I always make it clear, say, the artists, them I give you some bat up and catch positive song, and I come tell man about, say, we now listen them positive song. I mean, I say, because we now make it good, like how Yaxter make ambition, right? Now, true Yaxter couldn't make a next ambition and a next big song, him start sell controversy. I sing about Tech Mali, I sing about Chappy Line, and him a try link up with the Moby artists them, the Bagger Badman artists them, see, and them him a try to align himself with the whole time when him should have try to align himself with Chronics them in the business, you see me, but him fail for do that. So true, him see same thing now work now with the Moby Badman artists them and the scammer artists them, see, him think now work out with them as how him wanted to work out with them. Because when Kartel they are jailer, them artists they on the forefront. You know, Moby a scammer artists them. And him want them on the forefront them time. They say I do what them youth they do. Now when Kartel free and music a get back, dancehall a get back its space, him still can't find nothing. So him come a cry now and I blame Chronics. Because him see Chronics them easy for blame. When it comes to Rasta, we now bonfire. So I'd approach the Yaxter tech. And uno so dunce, uno ballad idiot, and enough for uno Rasta. Because Jamaican full of dunce, you know, whether them are Rasta, whether them are this, whether them are book smart people, whether them are street smart people, them full of dunce, low level intelligence them. Because anyhow, them never so dunce, them wouldn't allow the grapist Foota hype, and them wouldn't allow the grapist Richie Stephenson for them feel so good being the nastiness that they are, because through Jamaica, rape man we love woman or man we grind woman, whether them force them way upon them, yeah, because the potential nasty kid they got talk about, say, before him turn a batty man, him prefer turn a raper. You understand? And we see how that song there was a big thing. And me did a really pretty, I say a woman come out and talk about it most late last year. And I say, oh, people make potential kids song slide. And when you check it, and if you be real, like it's okay for you to think that it is okay to be a rapist more than a battyman. For sure you the mentality, for sure you say everything what me I say makes sense. Said they prefer be a rapist like Foota hype and Richie Stephen and destroy the woman them mentality, destroy them life. Because when you grape a woman, is just like you analyzing a woman, you know. Because she must come back to her normal self. She probably die inside. A lot of time, majority of the time, a woman have to really be strong, and most people are strong nowadays. That's why we live in a cancel culture. At least the thing you say, people want war.
So no be careful of these people them will love bun Batman, cause them are the grapists them are the same man where analyze the woman them for when the woman them get upset with what some man do. These man like the one downtown in a hate lane, because that is no blood clot love lane. Them for take away them blood clot name they from them downtown Dunsas people, idiot people them sick my fucking stomach. Is what me I say? It's always the poor people them a fight against successful people, because through them broke and down there, so you see me? I mean, I forgot play a video for you where a man make it clear that there's a difference between broke and poor, because poor people is the worst people them. The man say a broke man will have no money, but he's not the type to pull down other people. You see, poor people and them pull down everybody. Them pull down the poor and then pull down the rich and then pull down every piece of shit where them is with. You get me? I say, but you say broke people, them just not have no money and them will have ideas and things. There's a difference. I'm just I see the video, I'm gonna share it with you. But look what Chronic say to the dirty, bad mind, black, dunce, wicked idiot, yakster, and him like us idiot supporter them own. Who soon stop look on him? The only reason why them a look on him are through Chronic's name involved. So me I said dirty bumble what yakster do pain me heart so much. That's why me nah stop beat him till me feel like say yeah, enough is enough now. See me? So Chronic say a deep hatred for mama sing there before we go in it. See that? Yakster.
People outside of Jamaica that looked up to Bob Marley and Peter Tosh and a lot of the greats to speak for them, to use their music to send a message.
Alright, I like what she say now. She mentioned Bob Marley, because look on them hypocrite. Bob Marley never used to burn out no Batman. The Marley's family, them nah burn no Batman. But yet still a Chronics, them have a problem with. The Marleys, them nah burn out no Batman. And none of them Rasta ya, that me assure you say them Bumba Jamaica ya, them love pick easy fire for burn. Them can't burn the murderers and rapists where plague them community, but them want burn Batman when I trouble nobody. Now take away nobody pitney, now unalive nobody. You get me I say? We see a video with 119 where him do about a Batman police who him love a kill. Right? So the Batman end up kill a Batman. And that is doing who homophobic people a favor. Because now we have one less Batman. And who do that for no? A Batman do it for no. Batman make sure so we have one less Batman. But who make sure we have one less rapist? Who make sure we have one less murderer? Who make sure we have one less pedophile? Who make sure we have one less of these evil wicked man like Foota and Richie Stephen and all these bounty killer where get exposed for a fool with underage girl when them in a them big age? You know what I mean? Who is making sure we have one less rapist? See, the police, them are unalive so much people, right? Some of my things say, yeah, the police, them are make sure so we have one less murderer. But guess what, one? You can't say that because the police, them wicked themselves. Them are murder innocent and them are murder the guilty them. See? And them not supposed to be unalive in the people, them, but wicked, rotten, big rotten blood, germs knows Andrew and him confederates them. I give them powers in. And then watch with the police them. The police them so evil that when the police them unalive all of the murderers them we have, right? And we not have no bad boy for help fight for we, right? On our side, we doom because we are gonna need the bad man them with the police them a kill off. For real. You get me? I say we are gonna need some of them because if the Gideon go start now and we not have no bad man for war on our side against the elites and the wicked government body assisting people them. Then if we not have the bad man for fight for we will do them because the whole of the bad man them are gonna be in the police and them are the bad man. You get me? Because watch this now. As I say, nobody now make sure we have one less murderer except for really the police them, right? But the police them are unalive innocent too. So when them police are done unalive them wicked money, them bad money, them gun money, who you think them are gonna start pan more now? The same innocent cause them done already are kill innocent people hard like rice grain. So we can't applaud the police them, even though we see the police them unalive the man we unalive the woman in a love lane and we're glad for that. Maria told the police them unalive him. Get me I say? But we know so the police them corrupt too and I do a lot of those deeds. See for them personal sake cause a man asleep with them girl and then the police them feel like say you know fi You know, if you fool around with them girl, a man nah go stop them girl hard. Uno police, uno nah stop get uno girl thief. All when uno kill off if we as hard, we still have out uno girl mouth, we still have burn out them all. You get me? I say so uno police can kill all away and feel like say man for love no woman. You get me? I say cause uno don't even know if uno are the first one where she there with. You see it? Them blood not police, yeah, them feel like say them are baddest and feel like them are goddess, but uno go get for no judgment to no police. You see me? Whola uno. Because you see, uno afraid for dead, you know. That's why uno kill so much. Because uno afraid for dead, uno don't want the killers them rise for uno. You see me? Yes, so me I show you the biasness of people, brother. You see me, them bomba. You think Youngster can go to Junior Gang them and call up Ziggy Marley them and say, oh, them nah bun Batman. Would get blood, Youngster would get run out of blood clot music industry. And that with Jamaicans, them afraid for war against the murderer, them where plague them community. As me say, the police, them have to do that. You get me? Because them Jamaican are weak. Them see Batman as a easy fence for pick. Them Jamaican and that why Youngster do. Him see Chronics as a easy fence for go preach him hate against. You think him could a blood clot go call up the Mali them and say, oh, the Mali them nah burn no fire. Uno blind? Uno see what go on. The people them want tear down Chronics, dog. Hey, the whole I know where hate Chronics go. Near out uno sour thinking mama pussy because the whole I know waste people. Me know that. Because uno not think logically uno no sense. Chronics boss him friend them. So why the straight rasta them not boss them bumbuckler straight rasta. Yet still sizzler them. About out this one bag of Batman and them. Them not show no interest for put no straight people in the music. So them are some blood clot hypocrite. Like uno sizzler and the whole of them. You see what I say? Because them nah help no straight youth for come wall up the straightness. But yet still them want bun Batman, forget Ray, forget the people them for jump up for them. Them stink. Don't make them trick on the people. You see me? Because them can't go say Junior Gang them nah bun Batman and we not hear Junior Gang them a bun Batman. And that me assure you, them people you fight out positive song. The good, gracious, positive song where God say make a joyful noise unto the Lord. And then them, the dirty TikTok waste girl all talk about say, she not hear no bun Batman in the song them. Yeah, look a waste girl yeah. And she not tell the people them must pay and say if stop grape the girl them and she can't tell the murderer them must pay and say if stop murder people. You see me? Yo, them people you know for stop, listen to them, make go in our Chronics I say. Bumbuckler. I say me hate the hypocrite them love the easy fight them. You see me, them can't go attack the bad man them because them know say the bad man them will come buff off them face and them afraid for dead. That's why you see them a go at Chronics because them know say them can diss Chronics and nothing now come out because Jamaican done depend on a tear down Chronics thing. So them know that easy for them. Why if Youngster don't come out and call up Junior Gang name and Ziggy Marley name make him not see if every 32 teeth lick out time out? Eh? Why you don't call out the Marley them? Waste boy Youngster, try that. And see if Ziggy leave off a send no warrior for you. Two blood clot, some man from Trench Town come find you with your blood clot, leave see Youngster. And Marley them you forgot call up Youngster. And see if some blood clot man from Trench Town come find your country where your blood clot hide and lift out your locks them out of your brain. Fucking fool. Uno love the easy fight and now fight the real problem them in a society. The grapists them. The man them we take on a sister. But yet still a Batman and main problem. Man we hug up and kiss up in a bed in a them room and not see nobody. And uno want focus on them people there. Instead of for start burn some fire upon the murderer and the rapist them. I better say anyhow we start put rapist on the front line forget burnout and murderer upon the front line forget burnout. Like how now burnout gay. I better say them stop the killers and the murderers and the rapists them stop plague nation. I bet you. But uno so freaking afraid to die. Uno so freaking afraid to die. But yet still uno know say the Batman them nah kill uno, so it's easier for burn them. Jamaican is a sack of shit people. You see me? Them nah no problem with the man them where analyze the data them, the dirty germs taxi man them where look the little school gal them and the bag of big man them where look the school. Let me tell you what I notice with Jamaica. You see when a big top educator or some rich uptown people or some big uptown rich man go fool around with a little gal, Them broke pocket Duns Jamaican you make the most commotion over it just because he's a rich man. But when the poor man, them a do them nastiness yeah, because you see poor people or the broke people, me for say, them have a problem with people's success. It's not about the evil way the people them do. It's about how successful they are. And that is what me I tell you know about with enough of them broke pocket poor people yeah. Them have a problem with the success of Chronix them in the music. And Chronix them prove to show himself talented with tons of hit songs. So Yaxter forgot try do the same because we would have defend Yaxter, you know, and look into Chronix and the whole thing if Yaxter was producing a bag of hit song consistently and he was being dealt with unfairly. Then we would have said, nah man, Yaxter have no right to be treated unfairly because him talented, him have the song them, but we not see him with no song. So if we defend him and I try put down Chronix, who is way better than him. You know, I hear that, man? When you start think clearly and logically and sensible and start make some like a dunce, ignorant, waste man like Yaxter when I no sense, a trick on because them a use this bun batman thing. Waste people them. So Chronix say, as a matter of fact, interview me right now because you rate that because you see me, alright, you see the facts say. Alright, I'm show you where Chronix style blood clot Kishima and Kishima probably know you know cause she's smart, you know. Look how Chronix diss Kishima and she really don't even know. Because you see the fact that Kishima have a big platform, you know, and the fact that she promote this Yaxter and this hate for Chronix on her platform, right? Chronix don't like that, right? And nobody should like that because she have a big platform and people don't already live on Chronix name. Them dirty meat eating lover people yeah, where them not live no life of Rasta. And I better them go turn Rasta and go do what them want Rasta do. Go lead with their action, nasty ballad, meat loving cemetery, pussy people. Uno go turn Rasta and burn the fire and stop talk about Rasta for a burn fire. Because when Rasta they are burn fire in the days them when you had blood clot baby, you used to laugh off of them. Now you grow up and want to tell Rasta what them for do, what them for say. You have blood clot knowledge for talk to Rasta. You done spot can read. You never read off one book. You never read off a book yet. You nasty and disgusting no blood clot. So you look how Chronix style Kishima. Chronix music said, yo, like Chronix said, play their song on the radio and give them a listening ear. But that Chronix tell Kishima, that is a big diss right there. If I put Kishima in her place, you get me? Kishima probably not see it, but she must probably feel one way because she bright, she have a great level of intelligence for no say Chronix isn't pleased with what she do. You get me? I give Yaxter platform, I preach hate, and all these people for retaliate. Watch this now. Chronix say, play their song on the radio and give them a listening ear. I tell Kishima, say, Kishima, what the fuck you do? Go play the man's song and promote him. Since Kishima want to find out what Yaxter is talking about and the whole thing, since she's so interested about the whole thing and she's so concerned about Yaxter feelings, right? Chronix tell her that that's why enough people have the intelligence for sister Chronix style Kishima when him said this, you know. It takes great intelligence for see the diss them when a next intelligent person are diss, you know. And at that with dunce people and broke pocket people, them take everything as a diss. All when you show them respect because them dunce. And I show you about Cargo black me because me see my bun up a stage show and I watch him comment on him post. I say, yo, me not like how the crowd did them not give Cargo no justice and Cargo take that as me a this him I say him can't wild up the crowd. You know what I mean? Me even make a next comment when I say great performance Cargo, but it look like him see the one first when I talk about how dead the crowd is and him feel hurt by it. Like say me I say Cargo can't reel up the crowd because I'm dunce. And that's why intelligent people and dunce people can't link. Especially if dunce people and intelligent people are friends, it not gonna last long. Because them dunce. You see what I say? So you have to understand say Chronix and make Kishima know say play the man song and stop with your mix up girl. You see what I say? Give the man some sound on the radio make people hear him. And guess what? People is hearing him. It's not about people not hearing Yaxter. People are hearing but him song and music just don't cut it like Chronix. You see what I say? If Chronix one song, if Chronix worst song get radio play, the massive are gonna love it. If Yaxter best song player, I'm not have ambition, like whatever new song him ever develop where him feel like say, even though Yaxter a late song the way him do, you know, it nice, but it's fairly a good song, it can go on and it can make him start get some enough bookings. It's a nice song, but it's not the big hit song we used to from our reggae artists, them, you see me? And him song a get whole heap of listen and justice. Now that him go call up Chronic's name. But me I tell you say him a go shame again and the people him a go move on forward from Yaksta cause him just don't cut it. So me I say hopefully Yaksta take my advice and go to the drawing board cause him thief Damian Marley song they and run with it. Him done a show we say him still not have no talent as well him auto. You see me I say? So Chronic style Kishima man I say go give the man some sound on the radio if you want to know what's up with him or if you care about him. Don't come and mix up him a call my name and I give platform for fuel this hate. You see me? So yeah man, I show Chronic some love. You don't know say me bash Chronic when it comes to the Gaza and thing in the past, right? So, but we issue honest with fear, we totally fear. When people forget beat, them get beat. When people forget love, them get love. And that's my thing there. So some dunce people want to say, I'm a hypocrite, come see my burnout Chronics yesterday. I know I'm a defend Chronics because you're so stupid. So a parent is a hypocrite because she beat her child today and hug him up tomorrow. That makes a mother or a father a hypocrite. Fucking dunce. You can't think logically, you know. And that me a show, no. Jamaicans, them sick my stomach, enough of them. You see me? We're not gonna go through all of this, but Chronix is so hurt by this. And him see me in the comment section I try to address everything because the whole Jamaica just dep on the man name, bro G. So me have to defend him. I say, what education you have? Me sure no say you is just another dunce bat when never served no purpose going to school. And you are just another type who call all the educated boys and educated men Batman. That's a Jamaican steer. Whenever a man is bright at Jamaica and intelligent, them say must a Batman because they want the nation to be broke. They love broke dunce bat. And yet still at them war every day, you know, the same dunce bat. So if you is not a dunce bat, we're stupid and broke like the rest of Jamaica people. Them Zine, if you're not stupid and dunce, Zine are stupid or dunce, being one of them love either one of them will accept you. And if you're both, them rate you. If you're both dunce, no sense, and broke pocket. Zine, that Jamaican love and that them want push forward. That's why Jamaican have this messed up wired brain where them said you them were bright about him, man. You see what I say? Because them want the whole nation for dons. People, bright people, don't make where them people are saying how the nation think and the stereotypical behavior of our Jamaican, don't make it take a whole on the youth. Make on the youth know say them for bright and them for be proud of themselves. And those little broke dunce spot where the idiot beasts like Lego beasts, some mother and father we are sending them Lego beasts pitney at school pan other pitney. Zin, the youth them we are stabbed the school pitney them and gang them. I say, woe be unto those parents and them pitney man. Hell is a real place and we have the video I describe hell. You get me? I said, me couldn't know who they in a hell because a video has came out about hell and when I go see the 5 worst people them will get torment and it's not Batman. So when dunce blood clot Jamaican we think say Batman are the worst because when want get where with no rapist and think say all better than a Batman because still love pum pum and a force way upon the woman them. Stink like the potential kid. All him I'm glad God wash with him career too. See my try me come back on Ilangoli a nasty potential kid. You're fire too, you never get bun. Me I tell you, I know at the time you get bun too. Because you're proud to be a grapist and we're sick and tired of the nastiness. You see me? I bet I wanna go fuck man to blood clot. Load the little pit them and load the girl them and the woman them. Batty boy potential kid. The youngster them and the waist. Don't spot them on a sick drunk stomach. You see me? So I say, people with intelligence, hate people with intelligence so much because there's nothing you don't can reason to bring nothing. Alright, and that with Jamaicans, these are the next messed up mindset them have, where them say argument is a gal thing, a gal alone for argue. But yet still when these dunce bumbuckle murderers where say them no like argument and them no in no debating with nobody because once a debate start, them must tab you up like the man they tab up the girl over ice. Right? Cause them dunce bat and broke pocket waste pitney where them waste mama and papa bringing at the earth. Zine, you see them waste people believe say argument to argue or to debate, them think it's a female tendency. This is how messed up Jamaica is, So once you in a disagreement and a little argument start, them want kill you, them want unalive you. Because them must say them no the girl argumenting, but yet still when them batty boy we say them a bad man, we are kill and stab people over some little debate and some argument. When them batty bad man there, them little waste boy we say them bad and not in an argument. When them get locked up and go prison, is a liar them have to use now a pay money for argue for them or get free liar for do what them shoulda can do for them fucking self and never have to kill nobody. Now them have to go get liar for argue for them, for go do the girl thing where them say arguing is girl thing. And now them love them liar when them liar argue good for them. You see the hypocrisy? These batty boy we say them a bad man, we say them not argue with people and argument of a girl. Them love them liar we argue for them. You know, stink. Jamaica is a hellhole. Jamaica is a sickening pit. You see the mentality of the people, you see the mentality? This is what we're living amongst. You get what I say? And that make me so cross more time, like the wire and its axis. You see me? So I say, Uno is also the same problem in society who can't debate or argue with great talking points. So it's Uno same one who always willing to analyze somebody because Uno can't win an argument or win nothing in life. Them never win nothing. And you have some people where them want to kill you if you beat them in a little competition, a little race, a little spelling competition. This, you said Jamaicans do not know that place here. So me have to talk truth because everybody afraid for talk this because them afraid for talk against the murderer. Them find it easier for talk against Batty man. Batty boy Foota hype we a grapist, we have forced himself on. Yet me say Foota hype would have forced himself on Lisa and I make that boy they ever see Lisa and I one away and look half naked like the post them where she post so him a talk about she for cover up and how him respect her. You things uno make Foota hype trick uno like that? Uno think say Foota hype is that respectable we grow up on gully banks with dog shit a blowing at the wind and food every minute because him not living in a proper abiding city. People like that will grow like that, man. Them for just shut them out and stay humble so people can respect them. But Foota no have no sense, so him a chat for make people think same is this uptown, good brought up type of person. We know him talk about him cassava piece, but we know say him go on like a lot of time him go on like say him is this high class person because through bounty take him from out of the nasty place where him come from and carry him all over the place. Him feel like him is somebody. You see me I say? No, don't make them fool you. Big up to Movado. Movado are the real ghetto youth we have good class and them thing there and them humble. You get what I say? You have to know there are only very few ghetto people who really have true sense and knowledge and good ways. You get what I say? Yeah, man, don't make them trick you, man. You see it? See them say Bob Marley usually sing and work with all sort of gays in England and all over. Bob Marley say one love. We never see Bob Marley a preach no hate against no group of people. And at that them Rasta ya fool dunspot Rasta them. The idiot dunspot Rasta them will never read a book. Then they are the one where I preach this one bag of hate and I say one love at the same time. The world love Bob Marley because him really meant what him say about one love to everybody. Bob Marley no hate, nobody no show no hate. And then the idiot done spot Jamaican them take Bob Marley song about man to man is so unjust. And I say a batty man, him a burn out. When really and truly man to man is unjust. Yeah, your friend them, your male friend them, I go end up killing one another if you get up every day and go around man friend. You know me? Even woman friend too. Because we see man unalive woman and woman unalive man. So mankind naturally is unjust to each other, especially when it comes to the poor and the rich. The poor people them with them poor mentality are them are the problem in our society. You see me? So see that I say Bob Marley never preach no hate lyrics like that. I be a love Bob Marley type and love everybody. Bob Marley main enemy was the governing body, the elite them who are control the world. Bob Marley used to love and show love in an interview to even the people in Jamaica where fight him and a fight against Rasta. Bob Marley should talk loving about them people. Because Bob Marley would have said things like, nah, you know, said the people them just misled and them not really know better because they came in our system where these big guys trick them. So Bob Marley never used to show no hate towards the people them who used to hate Rasta even here in Jamaica because Bob Marley main focus was on the elite them who are govern the world with all this corruption. So one day we all have to unite, straight man and batty man have to unite for war against these people when they Armageddon forward. But them dirty dunce back Jamaican you hear them say, oh, that unite with a batty man because them fucking fool. But when bullets start flying and them start get dragged out of them home, look and see how much Batman I go help them and them now go say, wait, you're Batman, me no want a Batman help me. You're Batman. That's what me I tell you, they're not real. Jamaican no like to be realistic. Them just think and talk the same madness so them grow and hear that is accepted amongst the people them in the nation. All wanna make no sense is that make sense to them. Duns people them.